Hi, my name's Antonio, and here are the best ways I have fun at home. The first thing is I like to play board games. I enjoy playing the game of life. Me and my family really enjoy the game of life. We are all very competitive at this game. Second, I enjoy baking cookies. Cookies are really delicious. Third, I like to play catch with my dad and throw the ball around. Fourth, I like to work on my swing. Fifth, I enjoy watching movies and eating popcorn. My family and I can watch movies all day. Sixth, and here's my workout. Finally, I enjoy painting and drawing. Here's my finished product. Right here, and I hope you guys like it. Hello there, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys try these out and stay safe and stay home. Do your homework as well.